Hello everyone, welcome back to channel Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'll like to talk about the battery backup details about the Realme X1 Max device after the recent update, 8.18 version. So I'm getting a lot of complaints regarding the 8.18 version that they were unable to get the battery backup in the Realme X1 Max. But in my usage, I did a couple of testings, like including the heavy testing and the normal testing and media testing. I'll try to show you the screen on time, how much I got with the each and every testing as well. So you'll get a clear idea what is going on with the Realme X1 Max device. And I'll try to mention even the overnight draining results as well. And one more quick note. So there's a lot of difference in the Realme X1 Max battery life if you follow my tips, whatever I mentioned yesterday. Yes, there's a video which I did upload, as you can see. And I did not include that do not use the external RAM capabilities, because if you use external RAM capabilities, battery is draining a little bit kind of more than usual. Try to remember that. If you want to save battery, disable the external RAM. That is a tip which has been given by few of my subscribers under the comments. So thank you for all for the comments. So now let me just show you what is the screen on time with a medium to kind of normal kind of usage. So this is screen on time you can actually expect, friends, for the 18%, 7 hours and 5 minutes of time. As you can see, after using all these kind of tips, whatever I mentioned in the video, then I was able to get the screen on time slightly higher. I mean close to the 7 hours of screen on time in the Realme X1 Max. This usage is with the, I think, medium to normal kind of usage, not heavy usage. There's not much gaming included in this kind of usage. Most of the time I did connect to the Wi-Fi connection, and I did do a lot of benchmarks and a lot of testings on the Realme X1 Max. So meanwhile, I did upload plenty of videos on the Realme X1 Max, so you can check those videos. So all those videos and testings were done in the Realme X1 Max without charging. So this is with the normal kind of medium usage, nothing much. But I was able to get 7 hours only after using all the tips whatever I mentioned. So if you don't follow any kind of tips, this is what the screen on time you'll be getting. So 6 hours and 4 hours. So this is with the same kind of usage, normal and medium usage 6 hours, and this was heavy usage 4 hours and 28 minutes, 27% of the battery. As you can see the difference how it is with using and without using the tips. So make sure you use them. And next is overnight battery draining. I did not observe much as well. Right now it's kind of 20% at the night time, around 12, 13, as you can see, and the early I think not early morning, I mean close to 8:25 in the morning. So 18%. So the screen on time I got about 3 hours and 17 minutes. Not screen on time, I think overall battery decreased by 2%. As you can see, this is with a heavy kind of usage. So I'll try to explain why, because I did do the AND benchmark test continuously running for I think three times, and even the CPU throttling test also 3 times. So that is the reason we did get a lot of less screen on time. But overnight battery draining test was only 2% decreased, only 2. The main reason is why, because I did use this one of the tip which I gave yesterday, which is called the optimized standby mode, which is ultra standby mode option. So make sure to use this option when you're sleeping. So this will give the slightly better battery backup. That is what I did learn in my experience of usage. So ultra standby mode. These are the few details about the battery backup on the Realme X1 Max detailed, friends. So after the recent update, if you are facing the problems of battery draining, then try to follow these steps. So if you're not facing any kind of problems, no problem, not at all issue. But I am getting plenty of comments. That is the reason I thought of making a video and letting you know what is going on with my phone and how is my usage and what is the expectations are. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video with Alliance Data for more updates. And make sure to follow me in the Realme community in case if you want me to contact, if there is any kind of problems, let me know in the Realme community, because I started to post in the Realme community as well to get in contact with the Realme X1 Max users. So that's the real way where I can know what's the problem you're facing, and if possible I'll try to do any other tips or any other tricks to make it fix. So see you in the next video with Alliance Data for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.